On the fifth day of appetizers, Uncle Chris made for me pizza puffs. Ho, ho, ho. No, it's not Santa. It's Uncle Chris.
What you got cooking smells so good. Everyone's looking.
Hey, nieces and nephews, yes, it's Uncle Chris, and yes, we are doing little mini pizza puffs as an appetizer. Now I'm going to show you how we do this. I'm going to start with some regular spaghetti sauce. I'm going to make sure there's no water in my bowl. I'm going to pour it in my bowl. Okay? Set this to the side. I'm going to take some Italian seasoning, probably about 2 teaspoons, okay? I'm putting it in a bowl. Just gonna mix it together. Oh wait, also 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. I wanna put tablespoons in everything. What's going on? I'll tell you. All right. Although I'm adding a lot of garlic because I like garlic. Now, oh, and I'm adding a couple teaspoons of sugar because I don't want my tomato sauce to be tart. Now I'm just going to mix this around so it's all mixed in. Now we're not going to cook this sauce. We're not. It's good like it is. The spices will rehydrate in the sauce by the time we're finished making our pizza puffs. Once we get this all mixed together, like I have it now, we are going to let this sit right here. Okay? Yes. All right. Let me wash my hands. Now I have some pepper jack cheese. You can use any white cheese, mozzarella, Munster, okay? I didn't get the shredded because this was cheaper. All you do is just chop it up into little bitty squares, okay? I'm only gonna make so many for demonstration purposes, and there's not a lot of us here, but you can make as many of these as you want to. Make enough sauce to use the whole wonton package if you want. These wonton wrappers come in so handy to make wonderful little appetizer dishes. You should have some on hand. Okay, now I've also got some pepperoni. You can use sausage, but for this I'm using pepperoni to make it simple. I am slicing it up so that you'll see when we make our pizza puffs, you'll have meat in the whole thing. Meat, cheese, and sauce. Oh yeah. All right. Now, ooh, I forgot to add my black pepper. Same amount. 2 teaspoons, okay? To 1 can. So if it was 2 cans, you'd use 4 teaspoons, and so on. Let's see. I've got my water here to seal my wontons. Now I'm going to mix my pepper in. Oh yeah. Because when we fry these, everything's going to marry together and cook when it's fried. Okay? The sauce can sit here and get its flavor. Now, pull my sleeves up. I'm going to take 1 wonton. As you know, I'm going to wet all the edges. Do not overfill these. I'm going to take a couple pieces of the cheese, a couple pieces of the pepperoni, and I'm just going to put some sauce over top of them, just enough to wet them, okay? Now you see that? We're going to close it like a triangle. Get in there. Just like this. See that? It looks like a triangle. All right. Put it on your plate without spilling your water. I'm gonna do it again. Now remember, go over to Simply Meals by T Vlog and check out her channel because I want you all to win that $50 prize. Somebody's gonna win it. I can't because I'm in the videos and stuff, so obviously I can't. I'm gonna wet these edges and I'm gonna fill the rest of these up, and then we're gonna go over to the stove and start frying. Look at that. Seal him on up. Seal him on up. All right. All right. I've got them all done. Now we're gonna go over to the stove and fry them up. Let's go. All right, let's put them on in. And they cook quickly. So, I got my grease nice and hot. I'm gonna put them all in. When they're golden brown, you take them out. See how quickly they cook? All right. Oh, yes. Let me move this out the way. Now we take us some Parmesan cheese and add us some snow on top of our dish. Adds flavor, adds a good look, and a little parsley adds a little bit of that Christmas flair. And there we have our wonderful Christmas appetizer. Wow, nieces and nephews, look at that. Oh, that looks so good. And we've got our Parmesan cheese on top of them with our parsley. And in the center, I put some more marinara sauce that we had earlier. Yes, this will make your Christmas appetizer just right. Now, let's dig in. These are so good. Of course, I'm going to dive in. Pull it apart. Look at that. Look at that. Cheese and smoked pull. A little bit of a dip there. Oh yeah. And the cheese makes it a little bit spicy. These are heavenly. Remember, they're an appetizer, not the main meal. All right. I want you to like. I want you to comment. I want you to subscribe. I want you to win that $50 prize. I want you to write to me at Uncle Chris, the Food Pantry Chef at gmail.com. Let's see what else. The camera's crooked. Look at all the videos. Try to, like I said, win. Check out Simply Meals by T Vlog, her channel. I'll put the link. And let me know. You know, oh, I've got, like I said, my music video coming. Christmas special. We've got a food pantry haul coming up. Special Christmas food pantry haul, okay? All right. Guys, you ready to chow down? Yay. That didn't sound too enthusiastic. Okay, all mine. Big love from Uncle Chris. No, it's not Santa. It's Uncle Chris.
What you got cooking smells so good. Everyone's looking.